guys, so for today's video I thought it would be cool to do the ultimate return to home test with this drone from a mile away. Let's do it. So first off, I just want to say it seems that whenever I talk to people about this drone and how it can land itself all on its own, they end up saying something like,
well, it only landed so perfectly because it was landing on the landing pad that it came with.
Or,
the landing spot was easy for it to see because it's high contrast to the background.
those are actually good points. So my big idea for this video is to take away both of those things. No landing pad, no high contrast landing area for it to easily be able to see where it took off from. I will have the drone take off from this, which is just a wide open concrete slab with no markings or anything, no high contrast spot that it took off in. And I can't wait to see how it does. I'm just going to fly up to 350 feet and then a mile away. As you can see here, I have my phone hooked up to the remote, and as you can see there, that's a mile away and 350 feet up. So now I'm just going to press and hold the return to home button here. And now it's coming back. Alright, it's getting closer now, so I'm going to point the camera down so that way we can see it as it lands. And let's just hope that it lands right close to where it started. Alright. I'm going to set the remote down so that you can see that I'm not landing this manually. There. Alright, now you know I'm not landing it manually. Alright, it is coming down now. So in editing later, I will take the frame where it was before it, right before it took off, and then I will overlay that over what we're seeing now, so we'll be able to see how closely it lands. It's correcting. Alright, moment of truth. Will it land exactly where it took off? Let's see how accurate it is. Okay, I won't know until after I have looked at the footage later, but I think that is very close to where it took off from. Just looking at it visually here, it looks so close. Let's take a look at that again. So let's freeze the frame, and I'll leave it on 50% opacity. So then it took off, and now I'll cut to the clip of where it is about to land. So there it is. There is the difference. Before, after. Before, after. Pretty close. If you watched all the way through this video and you're still here, Thanks. I really appreciate it. You're great. Have a great day, and I'll see you next week. Bye.